Hello, welcome back to the class. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a very powerful Excel function that is not very popular. It's called the stack function. We're going to be looking at the two versions of this function. We have the VSTACK and the HSTACK. This function can make a lot of things easy for you if you understand how to use it. And I want to help you to understand how to use it. So join me in the class as we look at this fantastic, amazing Excel trick. Okay, let us look at the VStack function. The stack function will work for the vertical data, which we call the VStack, and the horizontal data, which we use the HStack for. So in our own case, what we want to do now first is to use the VStack to bring data from various sheets into a single sheet. The VStack function is not summarizing data. The purpose is not to create a summary of data. The purpose is to combine data from various Excel worksheets into a single sheet. So instead of going through the process of copying and pasting, what you can simply do is just use the VStack function. So what we are going to do now is we're going to start with the VStack and just simply type the VStack function and then go to the first worksheet, make your selection, that is highlight the data, put a comma. You need a comma separator for each of the selection. Then you go to the second sheet, which is the February sheet and the worksheet, and then you put a comma, and then you go to the third one, which is the March. You make your selection, then you can hit the enter key, and then you have your data appearing in the sheet. So you have combined them using the VStack. So as you can see, we have the January, the February, and of course the March data. For the HStack horizontal data, you may have a station where you want to position your data this way, possibly for the purpose of having each of the data showing here, and at the same time you don't want to do just copy and paste. You just want to pick them and bring them here. So all you just need to do in this case is to use the HStack, and then you go to the January sheet, you highlight, you use the comma, you go to the February, you highlight, you make your selection, you put the comma, and then you go to the March, and then you make your selection. Then you close the bracket and just hit the enter key, and then you have that, just like a magic, all the data. So you have been able to populate this using all the data from here. For the vertical, you have it in the vertical form, and also for the horizontal, you have it in the horizontal form. So we have used the VStack to do this, while we used the HStack to do this. Now one of the benefits of this is that it combines this data together and make all of them a single entity. So what it means is that no one can come and delete an item from here. You can't delete a unit of this information. You either delete everything or you leave it. Okay? So that's the beauty. You cannot delete a part of it. You can delete everything at once, but you can't come and say, okay, I want to delete 56 and it's good. Then same for the You can't come and say, okay, I want to delete this or even overwrite. You can see that just that created a problem and it scattered the function. So that is one good thing about this. You cannot change any part of this item because it's an array function. So what it does is that it combines them and make everything a single entity. Okay, so I want to encourage you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, the Simply Scale Sync Lab, so that you can catch up with several other videos that I have in my YouTube channel. I mean, amazing skill developing tools. Right, thank you for watching and bye for now.